Hello and welcome to Integrator Dima channel, and in this video we would like to check 5 simple ways how to integrate flag icons into your application. But before we will start, please write in comments how many ideas do you have or on how many implementation you are aware of, and let's start. So first of all, this is a demo site that I will attach. So you can click to the second video, like 5 ways to add flag icons, and here it is in the flag URL. You can see the first method is using flag icons CSS. So here is the code, you can check it. So we add a CSS file and then just add some classes, and we can do it dynamically. For example, you can do loop and just insert this part dynamically, and it should work fine. So yeah, you can style it, so no problems. The file itself is not really large, we don't have that much unused code, so pretty good solution. So second is using emoji flags. Yes, this one doesn't require a file itself, but the disadvantage is that first, it's only in waves style, so it can't be flat. Second, you need to add each icon, so it's hard to do it dynamically. For example, if you add a new country, it will be hard to extend it. By the way, those icons can be used for language or country selectors to improve your UI. So let's go to the third example using API and CDN, and here is some websites that I found. So I've been using this one, flagpedia.net. We insert image with the src of this flagcdn.com. We also specify the width of the icon, and we can do it dynamically. So it means that in the loop you can render this part and insert this like a variable. So I like it very much. So yeah, the first option, flag icons, here is the npm repo, so you can check and use it from here. And the Flagpedia looks like this. First, thanks for highlighting Ukrainian flag here. You can specify the extension of the image you would like to use. You can do multiple shapes like a waving, original, and and you can specify the width, or you can also fix like the height, the width. So they have multiple options. Yeah, looks really simple and easy to use using just image files. So I'm really lazy, I don't want to put my image, but actually it is like image tag with src to something like static images, flags, and whatever you will name it. The problem here is that you need to add each icon here. In ancient times we were using sprites. It's like one image that has all flags, but then you need to specifically position it with style, so it's nightmare. And with this also you need to make sure that your images are optimized. So not very recommended option, I would try to avoid it. And the last one. So the last one is really weird. I asked ChatGPT to write this code, and he is able just to generate SVG on the fly. So for example, you can see it here. It really makes sense a little bit. It's workable, but yeah, I wouldn't recommend it. But just for information that it looks like this. So I think that another variation of the third option of API and CDN can be this Flags API, and I believe that there are much more that you can find in the internet. So yeah, as I mentioned for previous example, I'm lazy, so I just, instead of referring to my local files, added this Flags API just to try it. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and find all links and code in the description of this video, and see you in the next one.